let's make the difference between a wolf and a dog in Panic. So this is kind of a super memory game with traps and fun things. So the goal is to decide, okay, the dog, what does a dog do? Oh, the dog loves humans, definitely. The wolf doesn't love humans. The wolf howls. So, hidden here in this newly improved version of a memory game are a lot of different things. So, 2 teams, you can have 10 kids, 20, as many as you want. This is a cooperative game. So, I'll stand, take one, you take one. Loves humans, take one. The dog.
Yes.
So I have to say the dog.
The dog
loves humans.
loves humans.
Hey, that works. So, boom, this goes on the side. Now, it's your turn. Okay. Back.
The wolf. The wolf.
Ah, that doesn't work. Flip them again. Okay. I'm against Rachel. The dog.
Has food in a bowl.
Yes, that works. The dog has food in a bowl. Boom. We need to go fast. Oh! Switch the cards. So now, even if the whole team, remember there was a wolf here, well, it's changed place. So, sorry. Lives in a family.
The wolf.
The wolf lives in a family? I don't think so. No. Go, 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 go.
The wolf lives in the wild.
Yes! Go, 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 go. Okay. Hunts for food.
Lives in a family.
No. Okay, we can do this.
Hands for food.
Oh, she remembered the wolf was there. Excellent. Okay. What else do we have? Lives in a house.
Howls.
Ah, no! Lives in a house with him. Go, 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 go.
Okay.
Oh, switch the cards.
Should I?
The wolf.
Okay.
The wolf. Oh! Snowstorm. So snowstorm means we have to turn around on ourselves 2 times. So everyone, turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around. Ah! So we lose time and now we're dizzy. So that doesn't help. Remember, snowstorm is here. Go, 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 go.
The dog. The dog.
Ah! Oh, don't forget to flip them back. Go, go, go.
Oh, I.
No!
Okay. The dog.
The wolf. No. Lives in the pack. Yes. Okay, and you can continue like this until all the good cards are gone and you're only left with switch the cards and snowstorm. Of course, you can adapt this game to a lot of subjects, especially subjects where you have to associate things. But set a time limit, 2-3 minutes. See how good they get. The goal is to go fast and to have fun. So, everyone, don't panic. But it's a pretty good game. Bye, everyone. Bye.